Hi, welcome from Tecra's channel. So in this episode we'll learn why tecracoin is switching from Lyra2Z hash algorithm to Merkle Tree Proof algorithm, MTP. And we'll get the basic knowledge what MTP is all about and why we want to switch to it. Now, when creating tecracoin, behind which we have a Tecra investment fund, a business based on high-end tech like graphene, we do have to make sure our network is and will stay decentralized, means safe. You don't want any one or two parties to take over your network. Decentralization is important, and we cannot stress it more. The way we here at Tecra see the future, at some point, customers will start demanding from companies have decentralized infrastructure, or they'll take their business elsewhere. Refusing to operate in decentralized world is actually irresponsible and drastically increases risk. So it's not a matter of if, but when. Anyways, Merkle Tree Proof algorithm. It is a proof of work algorithm, but no, it's not just another proof of work algorithm. It's quite unique. So let me give you a couple examples why. It was actually created by the same people who created Equihash. And it looks like on Equihash they realized that it can be done better. And that's why they started working on MTP, and MTP came to creation. In other words, MTP is improved version of Equihash. Now, what MTP is solving is a major problem we see in cryptocurrencies today, like Bitcoin: mining centralization. Yes, you heard me right. You see there is like 1, 2, 3, 4 pools that control over half of the Bitcoin network. And who runs those pools? Pretty much the pools are run by manufacturers of Bitcoin miners. We call them ASIC. And what is ASIC? ASIC in a nutshell is a very specially designed circuit to perform certain group of logic functions. So all of a sudden disproportions grow because regular PC cannot compete with the thousands of times more powerful miner like ASIC. And as we see on the chart here, small group of people has everything to say in a network that's supposed to be decentralized. It goes against the whole idea of what decentralization is all about. It goes against the whole idea of Satoshi Nakamoto, who created the Bitcoin. Now, there was many attempts to come up with the ASIC resistant algorithm, and we had Litecoin come up with the Scrypt algorithm, but it was just a matter of time. I think it was a year, and we had Scrypt running ASICs. Dash was also trying to come up with the algorithm that is ASIC resistant called X11. Same story. Year after, we had X11 running ASICs. We have to realize that those pools, we call them farms, are securing entire networks, and that is or should be a big concern. Now, going back to MTP. Merkle Tree Proof algorithm goes back to original idea that anyone with a computer can mine. Everyone can be a part of the network, making it more decentralized. No specialized hardware is necessary, and it is very hard to develop a specialized hardware for this type of algorithm. Why? Because MTP, Merkle Tree Proof algorithm, is a very memory hard, which means it's not only CPU computation that ASICs are all about, but it uses a large amount of RAM, that is random access memory. and that limits efficiency that ASICs can bring. Well, you cannot develop a special kind of RAM. RAM is RAM. So going back to our original thought that customers will start demanding that companies are decentralized, that companies do have decentralized infrastructure. We are switching to MTP, Merkle Tree Proof algorithm, in order to be more decentralized now and be safe and decentralized in the future as well. Having no single point of failure is the whole point. If you have any more questions, please feel free to watch our other episodes where we go over our business model, how you can join, and how you can earn Tecra coins by running a Masternode. Feel free to visit our media channels like Telegram, where you can ask questions directly. And just keep an eye on us as we go our way through blockchain world, connecting it with the real business. So see you next time.